Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drip pan in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new dispenser drip pan. This dispenser drip pan is located at the bottom of the water and ice dispenser. It collects water drops and serves as a cup support. The main reason to replace the dispenser drip pan is if it's broken or is simply missing. To remove the dispenser drip pan, I'm going to use this putty knife, and we're going to pry this out. I'm going to place it into the seam here at the bottom and slide it along this seam like that. This is the old dispenser drip pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now going to install this drip pan in. It goes in this way, and I'm going to slide it and press it down and push it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.